Hi guys, in this video I'll show you the complete process of how you can buy cryptocurrency on PayPal. So as you can see, this is the official website of paypal.com/us/cs help, and they have added the answers, mostly the questions that are asked by the people. So they have answered all of them, and here is the question, like, how do I buy cryptocurrency on PayPal? So the following information is for educational purpose only and does not constitute an endorsement of this type of cryptocurrencies. So like, you can visit this page, and from here, like, buy it, sell it, hold it, transfer it. So how you can do it, go at your own pace. And here's how to buy cryptocurrency with PayPal on web. First step is just go to finance in your web means like you are on your laptop or PC. So just once you're logged in with your PayPal account, you are at the home page. So just click on finance, and from finance just click on buy. And once you click on buy, choose a crypto to buy. Like, you can choose any coin like Bitcoin, USDT, or any other coin. So just click on buy, select your coin, and choose an amount and frequency like daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Frequently will be default to one time, as when we try to buy anything. So this is by default set to one time, but like, you can change it if you want, like to daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. And once you enter the amount, choose a payment method and tap next, click on buy now, and you will be able to buy it on the web. And let's say you are on the mobile app, so how can you buy it? So just open the app, tap accounts, tap crypto, and from crypto tap on buy. And once you click on buy, choose an amount and frequency. Like, you can enter the amount, select a starting date, and tap confirm, and confirm your amount and click on next. Choose a payment method, and once you add the payment method, tap on next, tap authorize and schedule. And once you click on it, you will be able to buy your cryptocurrency on the mobile app as well. So that is a complete and official process of how you can buy cryptocurrency on PayPal.